Hi, my name is Vaibhavi. I've placed in Aggne, a Wipro company. I have completed my graduation in the year 2024. After my graduation, I have researched on different platforms, but later when I got suggestion from my friend, she told me that it's a good platform where we can able to upgrade our skills. I just joined the NxtWave with all the research. I've completed all the growth cycles. I used to get clarified every doubt because I directly go to my live classes. Then I can able to ask each and every question. So I was very motivated that I can able to complete all the given tasks within the day so that I can upgrade my skills. I got an opportunity which is related to the JavaScript. I just applied to the company and I got selected. This is my first attempt. I just want to suggest my juniors that always be motivated. You always get the opportunity. Just you have to give your best during your interview. This is my suggestion. And thank you NxtWave for giving me this best opportunity so that I can start my career. I'll be very thankful for the NxtWave.